is relative displacement? Let us consider this is the origin. A particle A is located here, and let us assume that its position is xa. Likewise, the position of B is xb. Now, as seen from B or as seen from A, if I look at the displacement of A, let us assume that they started the journey at t is equal to 0 and they went to these positions. That means the displacement of A is xa, the displacement of B is xb. This is with respect to a person who is located at the origin. But if I ask what is the displacement of B as seen by A, what is his answer? His answer is obviously less than the report by the person at origin. So, what is he going to tell? He is going to tell that B is ahead of A by a distance which is equal to xb minus xa. That's right. For example, I will take some numbers. Assume that this distance is 5 meters, this entire distance is 10 meters. Then what is the report of A? A will tell B is ahead of A by 5 meters. That means this is equal to xb minus xa. So, displacement of B relative to A is xb minus xa, and this is called relative displacement of B. With respect to whom? It is with respect to A, and this is represented by this symbol xba. It is read as displacement of B with respect to A, displacement of B as seen by A, which is equal to xb minus xa. This is xb minus xa. So, we can represent it this way: xba is equal to xb minus xa, that is displacement of B with respect to A is nothing but xb minus xa. For example, let us assume that this is the origin and a car is traveling. Let us assume that this is car A. This car is traveling and it has covered say 1 kilometer, and one more car is also traveling. Let us assume that this car B has travelled a distance of 5 kilometers starting from the same instant of time, say. Then what does the driver of the car A report? Does he report that B travelled 5 kilometers with respect to him? No. He will tell car B is ahead of him by a distance of 4 kilometers. That means your xb and xa are related by xb minus xa. This is the displacement of B as seen by A. Observe that this is relative displacement of B with respect to A, or displacement of B as seen by A. Likewise, what is xab? Now, let us look at the same situation. This is the origin. The car A is here and the car B is here. Now, what does this is xa, by the way, this is xb. What does the driver of the car B tell? He will tell A is behind him. If I ask the driver of the car B, he will tell A is behind him. So, displacement of A as seen by B is equal to xa minus xb. This is known as relative displacement of A with respect to B, or displacement of A as seen by B, as seen by B. So, relative displacement is basically displacement of one object with respect to another object. The other object generally is a moving object.